You're not in the valley anymore. That's the slogan for LightBank. This is a $100 million fund designed to keep Chicago born and bred tech superstars in the Midwest and not fleeing to Silicon Valley. Eric Lefkofsky and Brad Keywell are the co-founders of LightBank, and they join me now from Chicago in another Fox Business exclusive. Hi, guys. Good to see you.
Hi, Liz. How are you?
I am well. Eric, I'll begin with you. So how do you tell me that you're not just another tech fund, and what's so hot about Chicago?
Well, I mean, look, Chicago is just this amazing city. I mean, besides the fact that it's the third largest city in the United States, I mean, it has just such tremendous assets. I mean, it's hardworking people. You have such fantastic universities. You've got an entrepreneurial spirit. It's just an incredible city. And it just hasn't, for whatever reason, kind of taken its rightful place among the other great technology hubs in the country. You certainly have Silicon Valley out west. You have New York, which is really gaining some prominence out east, and Boston is doing some fantastic things. And so we're excited that Chicago is now kind of just starting to get its moment in the sun.
Brad, I can't believe he didn't say Blackhawks. I mean, that was just such a softball question.
Right.
You laid it up. I'll take it. Go Blackhawks.
There you go. Let's talk about the fund, $100 million, but you're not calling it a seed fund or an angel fund. You're calling it an investment vehicle. How does it work?
It's a combination of a venture fund, but also it's a very hands-on experience where we're trying to fund businesses where our experience uniquely will help those businesses catapult themselves to the next level. So normally a venture capital fund makes investments and then goes to board meetings. We look at investing as a matter of making an investment and very intimately helping those companies grow, figure out what needs to be solved, and go to the next level.
Eric, it's kind of interesting. We just talked to Doris Buffett, Warren's sister, who's given away $100 million, but you got a seller on your sob story, on your problems. How do people sell you? What is the process through which people can get money from LightBank?
I mean, we're predominantly focused on technology-oriented businesses, people who are looking to use technology, often through the internet, and find ways to bring innovative solutions to the market. And so what we look for is a combination of things that I think a lot of investors look for. We want to see passionate entrepreneurs. We want to see people who they have an idea and they can't seem to let it die. They just, for whatever reason, are almost compelled to pursue it. We look for people who are smart, who are aggressive, who understand kind of what's happening.
Sure.
I mean, what's going on right now on the web is just remarkable, with Facebook, with Twitter, with the social graph that's emerging, and so we want to find people who are looking to exploit that.
And Eric, and Brad rather, as we finish up, you guys are the guys behind Groupon, which I actually just became a member of because my staff, Elaine Walker, one of our bookers, was like, it's my favorite website. But you have to make money through all of this, do you not? I mean, what is your real criteria for these companies that are saying, I will keep my high-tech company if you help me in Chicago?
Absolutely. This is an investment fund with an objective of making investments and then realizing a much higher value than where we invest. But part of the magic here is seeing where the things that we've created can uniquely be sort of lent, and we can advise others and help them figure out some of the obstacles in their way and solve for that and create more success in Chicago, and hopefully then continue to reinvest money made in Chicago into even more technology companies that come out of Chicago and out of the Midwest.
Brad, Eric, good luck. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
They're the founders of LightBank. Go Blackhawks.